Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with another video. So just to let you guys know, like the newcomers on my channel, so I am an owner of both these beautiful vehicles, the Honda City 5th generation and the Hyundai Verna 2020. So the Verna is the SX model and Honda City is the VX model. Both are mid variants in their segments, and both are the best in segments. I have come up with a lot of videos on both. So if you're new to the channel, like, I would just suggest you to go through those videos as well and see if they can help you in selecting a vehicle for you. So in this video, like, this will be again a series of videos, so we'll be doing some tests on both these vehicles on different parameters. So the first one, like the part 1 of this series, is on the build quality and safety. So we'll compare both these vehicles on build quality and safety, and then come up with a winner. And then in part 2 we'll have the comparison done in other parameters as well. So if you're new to the channel, please go and check all my other videos as well. I hope you'll find them helpful, and please do like, share and subscribe. That really helps the channel. So, like, in terms of build quality, like, both manufacturers have done a pretty good job. The build feels tough and rigid. Honda City comes up with a 5-star Asian NCAP rating, so don't forget that. It has already proved its build quality, and the toughness, the high tensile steel which is being used in both these vehicles, and Honda City has already performed very well in the testing as well. So I mean, both these cars have good quality of material used on the exterior as well and on the interior as well. So we'll check those out, and the Verna is also not far behind. Like, it's running neck to neck with the Honda City and offers tough field as well. Both, I've already told you, both cars have used high tensile strength steel and good quality materials. But then there are bits of pieces in differences. We'll check those as well. So, like, in terms of build quality, if we check from outside, like the exterior, so everything is good, the quality is good. If you try to press this, it won't. So everything is good here. High tensile strength steel again, and the bumper is plastic, but then that is also good quality. It won't bend that easily, and the same is there with the Honda City as well. We'll check the doors as well. So quite heavy, the door is very heavy, and like, it feels tough, you know, it just feels tough, and it will give you a proper third when closing as well, if you want to hear that again. And in the Honda City as well, like, the door seems tough. The build quality is good. I really appreciate both the manufacturers. They've done a pretty good job in both the vehicles, and they've come up with good build quality in both these cars. This one will give you a proper third as well. अभी स्लाइड सा डिफरेंस जो मैंने नोटिस किया है, the only thing which I've noticed, see, in the Verna, अभी there was one video in which I compared the build qualities again, and I said I would prefer Hyundai Verna just slightly above the Honda City in terms of build quality, because अभी just see this, if you can observe, इसको मैं प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा ये अंदर नहीं जाएगा, it won't press that much, but इसको मैं करूँगा ना, so बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है. I don't know if the camera is able to capture this. ये दोनों के बैक बम्पर्स हैं, एंड Honda City का ज़्यादा प्रेस होता है अंदर तक. मतलब ये थोड़ा सा लूज़ लगता है ये मेरे को. इसको थोड़ा और बेटर कर सकते थे मे बी होंडा, बट अगर Hyundai का टच करोगे ना, उसका उतना नहीं फील होता है. यहाँ से भी बहुत रिजिड है, हेयर इज वेल. इसका बेंड होता है हल्का हल्का सा, सी. सो बहुत ही स्लाइट सा डिफरेंस है, एंड दैट टू नॉट इन द फ्रंट बम्पर्स में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं लगा मेरे को, बट इन द बैक बम्पर्स आई थिंक Honda City थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बेंड हो रहा है, लूज़ लग रहा है, बट वर्ना का तो इट्स परफेक्ट. आई थिंक that is the only reason why I chose the Hyundai Verna over the Honda City, and that too just a slightest of differences, you know. So other than that, if I open the boot as well, अभी इसको भी आप लिफ्ट करोगे ना, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो हैवी, मतलब उतना लाइट नहीं है जैसे कुछ और कार्स में आप, आई वोंट नेम देम, बट आप देखोगे जाके ना तो उसका थोड़ा सा लाइट रहता है, बट इनके ठीक है, हैवी हैं. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिल्ड, लाइक मटेरियल्स अच्छे यूज़ हुए हैं, हैवी मटेरियल्स का यूज़ किया है बोथ मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ने. इसका थोड़ा सा स्लाइट ज़्यादा हैवी है. देखिए, there's a hell lot of confusion in the market today, like related to build quality. I think the people are stressing a bit too much on this. Like nearly every car in the market comes with adequate and sufficient build, you know. You need to stay calm here. You're not the only person who judges this. There are so many tests which go which are conducted on the vehicles, which the cars go through, and there is so much testing in process, and once everything is passed, then only these cars hit the market, okay? So please keep that in mind. You are not the only person who judges the build quality. The car is in the market today because it has passed several tests on the build, on the comfort, everything. So ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई कार एकदम ही बेकार बिल्ड क्वालिटी के साथ मार्केट में आ जाएगा. सो ऐसा नहीं होता है. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत करो. डू नॉट ओवर स्ट्रेस ऑन द बिल्ड क्वालिटी. Yes, safety is important. You have to stress a bit on the build quality. You have to check the car's build quality, but do not over stress on it. अभी इसको बहुत हाईलाइट बना दिया है, एंड पीपल हैव यू नो सेट दिस एज अ बेंचमार्क कि मतलब बिल्ड क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी देन मैं कार लूँगा. सो अभी आप हर कार में बिल्ड क्वालिटी चेक करने जाओगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा आपको. ठीक है, आप नॉर्मल कंपेयर करो, बट उतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत दो उसको. अभी देखो, अगर सपोज़ ये इन दोनों कार्स को कंपेयर करूं या इनको कंपेयर करूं सियाज से, में भी सियाज का थोड़ा इन्फीरियर बिल्ड क्वालिटी रहता है थोड़ा सा, बट उसको भी मैं नेगेटिव नहीं बोलूँगा. ठीक है, उसका भी इनफ है, एडिक्वेट है. इनका थोड़ा सा सियाज से ऊपर हो जाता है मे बी. बट अभी अगर आप 140-150 की स्पीड से अगर हेड ऑन कोलिजन करोगे ट्रक के साथ तो क्या होगा? इट एंटायरली डिपेंड्स ऑन लक सर, और कुछ नहीं आपका साथ देगा. इट एंटायरली डिपेंड्स ऑन लक इफ़ यू सर्वाइव दैट क्रैश, यू नो. हाई स्पीड क्रैशेस कोई भी कार में होंगे. इट entirely depends on luck if you are able to survive that or not. It doesn't matter if you are sitting in a Honda City or a Hyundai Verna or a Maruti Ciaz. Imagine a situation like you must have seen accidents between two trucks as well. अभी ट्रक का बिल्ड क्वालिटी आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, पूरा लोहा लाट ट्रक होता है यार. It's entirely made of so much of iron and so much high steel, high strength iron, you know. But then too, if there's a collision in between two trucks, आप देखोगे हालत तो दोनों ट्रक्स की हालत ख़राब हो जाती है, एंड ड्राइवर्स भी नहीं बचते. तो अगर दो ट्रक्स के बीच में एक एक्सीडेंट होने से इतना डैमेज हो सकता है दोनों ट्रक्स को, जो एकदम लोहा लाट ट्रक्स होते हैं, तो फिर अगर ट्रक के साथ कार का एक्सीडेंट होगा तो होंडा सिटी या हुंडई वर्ना कोई आपको नहीं बचा पाएगा यार. इवन नॉट इवन महिंद्रा और टाटा, विच आर much more superior in terms of build quality. So nothing is going to save you. It entirely depends on the luck. It entirely depends on the kind of collision you've had and the kind of impact the car has taken. तो वो सब चीज़ें होती हैं. So आपने एक्सीडेंट्स देखे होंगे, उसमें सिर्फ मारुति की का हाल ख़राब नहीं होता है, होंडा के भी होता है, Hyundai का भी होता है. So please don't over stress on it. Yes, look at the safety features you are getting in the car, but do not over stress on this build quality thing. ठीक है. So that was a kind of advice I wanted to stress on, because I've been going through a lot of articles recently, and लोग बस पागल हो गए. उनको बस लगता है कि भाई टाटा की गाड़ी ले लो या होंडा ले लो या Hyundai ले लो, मारुति तो एकदम बेकार है. So it's not like that, you know. मारुति की S-Cross आप जाके एक बार देखो शोरूम पे, S-Cross आप देखोगे ना, आपको लगेगा कि हाँ कुछ है. Okay, so right now we are inside the cabin of the Honda City, and the interior build quality is also good in this vehicle. Like there is use of hard plastics all over the vehicle, like here as well. You won't see soft plastics used. These are hard plastics, but the look, feel, finish, fit, everything is fantastic. Like everything is good. The look, fit, feel, and finish, everything is good. This is also plastic. This is a glossy finish, and over here you get these stitched, fabric stitched over here as well. All these are hard plastics. This is also hard plastic. ठीक है, सॉफ्ट प्लास्टिक उन्होंने यूज़ नहीं किया है. एंड सेम इज़ द केस इन वर्ना एज वेल. वील हॉप इनटू दैट एज वेल. सेम इज़ द केस देयर. एंड बटन्स के जो फिट एंड फिनिश है वो भी अच्छे हैं. लाइक all these things, these feel good, and these, you know, feel durable as well. You won't feel that these will loosen up with time. These feel durable. So the quality of the buttons is good on the steering as well, and the AC knobs as well. So everything looks and feels good, you know. So I think the quality is very good in the Honda City. There is no use of soft plastics, but then the hard plastic as well. This is looking good. This is textured finish again. Over here again, this is textured finish, and this one is also textured finish. Both are hard plastics, but then the fit finish feel is extremely good. I would highly rate this, like in terms of the build quality. Okay, so we are inside the Hyundai Verna now. Now again, as I said when we were in that Honda City, the plastic used in the Hyundai Verna as well, this is hard plastic. Here as well, everywhere you'll feel hard plastic, but then this is also textured grainy type finish. And as I've already told you, the look, fit, feel and finish, in all 4 parameters I would highly rate these plastics used in terms of build quality. बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. And I didn't find any negatives in the quality of the materials used. Buttons as well, these are nice, these look durable. Nothing you'll feel like it's loose or anything. Even here as well, in the controls here for your power windows or any other buttons, so these are tightly fitted, and these give you good feedback. These feel like when you click on these feel like these are durable, you know. These will last long. सब कुछ अच्छा है. I don't find anything bad in the interiors, you know. This is a little thing which I've got from Hyundai. I bought this for 150 rupees. This is a cabin dustbin. Swachh India, Clean India. So if you are buying a Hyundai, do get these from them. So it helps you in cleaning, in keeping the surroundings clean. Both are equally matched, I think, in terms of build quality. There's nothing negative which I can highlight in these 2 months of use in the Honda City and 1 month of use in the Hyundai Verna. This absolutely no negative which I have to point out in terms of interior build quality or the exterior build quality. I would highly recommend both of these vehicles. Please do not worry about the build quality. So in terms of safety features, what you get, there's a long list of safety features you get in the Honda City, and that too right from the base variant. Right from the base variant you get a long list of safety features which include agile handling assist, 4 airbags right in the base variant, and then if you move up to the mid variant or the top ends, you get 6 airbag system. Okay, then you get brake assist with EBD, electronic brake force distribution. Rear parking sensors, four rear parking sensors you get, ABS you get, anti-lock braking system, hill start assist, vehicle stability assist with traction control. So each and everything you get in terms of safety right from the base variant in the Honda City. You get TPMS as well, tire pressure monitoring system as well. And then you get in the top end, if you go for the top end, then you get the lane watch camera as well, which is quite useful. And moving on to the Hyundai Verna, so there was a long list of features, as I've already said. Like Honda City has done a lot in terms of safety, and it is offering you safety features right from the base variant. And if you move on to the Hyundai Verna, like in terms of price, if you compare, there's a hell lot of difference in price of both these vehicles. If you compare the VX model of this Honda City, this comes at around 14 lakhs on road, and this model SX of the Hyundai Verna comes at around 12.25 on road. So there's a price difference of about 1.7 lakhs, and henceforth there are many differences in the features you get as well. So like in this one you get 6 airbag system VX, or if you go for the V model, which is the base model, you get 4 airbags, whereas in the Verna this is a mid variant and you get only 2 airbags. And Honda City comes with the ISRS, like the intelligent airbag system, which is first in segment and which has quick deployment technology as well. So the first in segment feature in airbags as well with the Honda City. Verna, you have only a couple of airbags, which is the driver and the co-passenger one. You don't get any other like additional airbags in the S6 model, but if you go for the top end, like the S6 optional, then you'll get the side and curtain airbags as well. And in terms of other features, like it gets the ABS with DBD right from the base variant. Then it gets the rear parking sensors, it gets the tire pressure monitoring system, but that is only in the top end. It does not get the tire pressure monitoring system in the S6 or the base variant. And then there are these features like electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill assist control, but all these things are only there for the top end variant. So you don't get these things in the मिड वेरिएंट. अभी उसमें Honda City में यू गेट द ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, बट वरना में आपको ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल भी नहीं मिलेगा. SX में आपको टॉप मॉडल के लिए जाना होगा, बट देन दैट इज समहाउ जस्टिफाइबल बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ प्राइस डिफरेंस ऑफ अबाउट 1.7 lakhs. दोनों में प्राइस डिफरेंस है. Okay guys, so with that I think we have come to the conclusion of this video, and again, like, both cars are equally matched, but in terms of the safety features which the Honda City is offering, yes, for a higher price, but then yes, it is offering right from the base variant. So they have decided to, you know, keep safety, give safety more importance, and that is the reason they have come up with so many safety features, and that is taking their cost high, but then you are getting those features. So I think the cost is justifiable. So I would say, in terms of safety and build quality, I would give it to the Honda City. Build quality, both were equal, but then with the kind of safety features Honda City is offering, I think I will give it to the Honda City, and it is a winner in this test 1 of our series. And I won't say that Hyundai Verna is bad. Hyundai Verna has adequate safety features. There's nothing like you can't consider buying the Hyundai Verna. बहुत ही कम difference है. There's a very minute difference in both. Hyundai Verna is costing you much less. It does not give you those vehicle stability management or hill start assist in this variant. It gives you those in the top end variant, and that is why you know, I would recommend, if you're going for the Hyundai Verna, then you can buy the SX, but then if you have the budget, then you can go for the SX optional as well. That will cost you somewhere around the Honda City VX model. So guys, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. That really helps. I hope you are liking the content which I'm bringing, and I hope you like the series as well. The next video for the series will be out tomorrow. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.